Hello, this is Caitlin Morgan with my final presentation for my professional application for ART 337. This semester has been really challenging in learning the difference between website design and something that's an application design. There is a big difference there, as this is not a page that one would just visit and view. This is an application that one would interact with. And that was really difficult to decipher in the beginning what the difference was, but I figured out actually that the difference between the two is what made this easier to design this last couple of weeks. With the user testing, we found that an all-encompassing application can get really complicated. And for this type of app, we wanted it to be simple. So the idea that I had was to have one application that encompasses all communication with your children's schools. I am a mother of two small children, and right now I have multiple different ways that I communicate with the school and that I communicate with each of my children's teachers. Even the two teachers have their own different app that we are set up with. So I am checking multiple platforms weekly to keep in contact, and it gets a little old, it gets a little frustrating, and things get missed over the year because I'm checking so many different platforms. So the idea of this app is that all of your children's teachers use this same platform, and this actually would take over needing to email administration. This would take over any social media that the school might utilize. This is all encompassing. So here we go. This is my desktop view for the professional side. This is the side that the school administration, the district, and the teachers would use to upload content. This is your home view. You can see in the upper right hand corner, you would be logged in. So the teacher would be logged in, and then there's also the sign out option. There's a quick email link, an alert link, and a search. This is my main navigation. Home is obviously different because we are on the home page. A link for PTA, maybe a staff directory, and a student directory. Each of these orange icons is also a quick link to something that the school or teachers would utilize daily. A chat feature similar to text messaging, visiting with the nurse, a calendar for the entire school, a parent app, which would be for finding out ways to volunteer, maybe being on the PTA, background checks. A lot of the schools require parents have background checks now to be at the school. Maybe you want to bring in cupcakes for your child's birthday. That's what this parent app would encompass. Obviously, a help feature for everybody because the help is always appreciated. An upload feature, you can upload pictures, documents, really anything. And then money of any kind, and then a live feed, which would take over that social media aspect. News, you can post news, and a live feed, another link for that. And then the final links down at the bottom kind of encompass other miscellaneous things. This page is for the nurse. If a child were to visit the nurse throughout the day, you'd punch in their name and you would get a student file with any medications they're taking, history of past visits, any information from doctors and allergies. And then over here on the right hand side would be the report of why they were visiting you that day, and then an upload feature for images, notes, information, anything that might be external that needs to be uploaded into the file. And then a quick email to parent so parents know right away that their children visited the nurse. This is my calendar view for teachers and staff to input any sort of events. You have the quick view of the calendar, everything you can click. So if you click the date, you're going to get this larger box here, which is going to show anything that's already been scheduled by the school or other people, and then the option to add in whatever it is that you want to schedule. This is my mobile view that would be specific to parents. Quick chat option, calendar, homework, funds, things that coincide with the professional the desktop view. specific to the parents, quick and easy. I also recognized that there needed to be a way to choose a student because parents often have more than one child at the school, and these apps need to be specific to the child. So here's the quick drop down. You could choose which student you need to view, or you can add a student if you have a child maybe enrolling in kindergarten. Here's the chat feature. Just like regular text messaging, you can select who you want to chat with. The idea of why I did this was it protects everybody. All of this chat would be monitored. So if students do need to talk to teachers or coaches, that's all monitored, and it just protects everybody in the long term because it's all recorded. And then students could talk to other students also because it's monitored, preventing bullying, etc. And then an option for tutors because that's something that we commonly use when we're in school. This is the homework view. So quick links for things that are assigned, grades with teacher comments, a syllabus for the entire year, a class supply list, a way to upload things, maybe to the teacher, a help feature, and then assigned today with a little scroll bar and when today's assignment is due. And also this would send an alert to the parents so they could see homework and kids can't hide work. I learned a lot this semester about interaction design. This app in particular came a long way, and I'm really proud of the final result. So thanks for watching.